I'm going to post some videos later of the sounds, some compilations of this animal, this particular sound, and I'd like you all to let me know what you think it is. I can actually make this sound and it will respond to me from over that direction in the woods. It was over there and then immediately further away, or it might be more than one of them, I don't know. But it goes, what is that? Let me know. Sounds like some kind of bird.